Hi unique family, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be making this chocolate and milky bread. Welcome back guys. Here are my ingredients. So I have 3 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs. Then the other side I have 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/3 cocoa powder, then 3/4 cup of milk. So firstly, I'll mix my warm milk and yeast, 1 tablespoon of yeast. I'll add in a little bit of sugar, mix it and cover it to proof for like 5 minutes. This mixture is for the milky bread. I'll put all the ingredients measurements on the description box. So that is my 3 cups of flour. I'll add in the remaining sugar, mix it to combine, then add in my yeast mixture, 2 tablespoons butter, then mix them together to combine into a dough. So I transfer it to my working surface. I'll dust my working surface with a little bit of flour. I'll knead this for 10 to 15 minutes. You can see the way I'm kneading it. You knead your bread this way to be very easy for it to knead. It don't take much of your time. You see, it is well made. So I'll keep that and mix the chocolate bread. I'll add in vegetable oil to my pan before putting in the bread so that it will not stick when I'm bringing it out. I'll cover it to rise for 40 minutes. Then this is the mixture for the chocolate bread: 2 cups of flour, I already proved my yeast the way I did it. Then add in the remaining sugar, cocoa powder, 1/3 cup. If you don't want it too dark, you can add 1/4. You see how the yeast and warm milk mixture proof. Then I'll add in 1 tablespoon of butter, add in 1 egg. I need 1 egg for these 5 cups of flour. The milk one 3 cups, the chocolate one 2 cups, altogether 5 cups. Then I use 1 tablespoon of flour to knead. So I'm using the same process to knead it the way I did the milky one. I'm done kneading. So I'll do the same process and cover it to rise. $30 to 40 minutes also, or until it's double in size. Then you know your bread dough is ready. So after 40 minutes, here is the milky bread, well proof. So I punch it down to get rid of the air, and this is the chocolate one. So all of them cannot go into one pan, so I'll be dividing it. See the way I'm stretching it, I'm getting rid of the air bubble on the bread. Don't force it easily. Then I'll put the chocolate one on top of the milky one. Stretch them together. What I'm trying to do here is a zebra bread. It's a design of bread called zebra bread. So just watch, guys. You understand what I'm trying to say. So after cutting, I'll roll it. So you see the design that we got. So I'm trying to see that the bread size, which is the length, and the length of the pan is the same. So I'll cover it to rise for 15 minutes before going into the oven. Here is my remaining dough. I'll be using small bread pan for this. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. please give this video a thumbs up, like this video so that it can reach a larger audience. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section, and please share. To our new subscriber, you are welcome. So there is no design for this. I'll just roll it out and seal the mouth so that it will not open while baking. Then cover it to rise. After 15 minutes, here is what we got. So I'll egg wash them. I've already preheated my oven. I'll bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. It's done. They are oven ready. And after 25 minutes, my bread is ready. You can see how beautiful they both come out. This is the zebra bread, and this is our normal loaf chocolate and milky bread. See how yummy it is. So soft. Thank you guys so much. See you all in my next one. Bye.